Yeah, very happy afternoon to all of you, my dear children.
Happy afternoon, ma'am.
Happy afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, very happy afternoon. సో ఈరోజు మనందరం కూడా సరదాగా ఈ హాలిడేస్ లో ఏం తోచకుండా టైం బోర్ కొట్టింది అనిపించకుండా మనం చక్కగా ఈరోజు మనం ఒక చిన్న గేమ్ ఆడుకోబోతున్నాము. అదేంటో కాదు, రిడిల్ గేమ్ కదా. సో మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ మనం రిడిల్ గేమ్ ఆడుకునేది నేను చెప్తాను ఎప్పుడో. సో ఈరోజు ఈ రిడిల్ గేమ్ కి హోస్ట్ వచ్చేసి సహజానా సహస్రానా?
Sahaja, ma'am.
బోత్ ఆఫ్ యూ, సహజ అండ్ సహస్ర, బోత్ ఆఫ్ యూ కదా. ఈరోజు ఇద్దరు అడుగుతున్నారా? సహజ అండ్ సహస్ర ఇద్దరు రెడీగా ఉన్నారా?
Ma'am, I will also ask.
Sahaja only, ma'am.
ఓకే సహజ, రైట్ సహజ. సో ఓవర్ టు యూ సహజ, బీ రెడీ. యా, సో మై డియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, she is hosting today. Sahaja is hosting today riddles game session. Okay, over to you Sahaja. Start Nana.
Ma'am, first question agala, ma'am.
Yeah.
What is the end of letters?
Z.
No.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Correct answer.
Super Navan, super correct answer. Very good. Next.
What has a thumb and 4 fingers but not hand?
Repeat the question, Nana.
What has a thumb and 4 fingers but it is not a hand?
Unmute just yeah. Okay. Entama, what has a? Please repeat the question.
What has a thumb and 4 fingers but it is not a hand?
Okay.
Leg.
No.
Anybody try? Try. Again, you repeat the question. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. What has a thumb and 4 fingers but it is not a hand?
Hansika, please mute. Yeah, Dakshit, what is that? Tell me. Dakshit,
Nails.
do you have any idea?
No, teacher.
No. Yeah, okay. Sahasra is cloud. Is it right, Sahaja? Gloves. Okay. It has fingers. Sorry. Once again, you repeat it.
Ma'am,
What has a thumb and 4 fingers but it is not a hand?
Yeah, it is very easy question.
Gloves.
Very nice.
Correct answer.
Yeah, next.
Gloves.
Next question. What building has the most stories?
Library.
Correct.
Right answer.
What has many teeth but can't eat? What has many teeth but can't eat?
comb.
Comb.
Correct. What has words but never speaks?
Please repeat.
What has words but never speaks?
Book.
Correct.
Book.
Next question. I have one eye but can't see. I have one eye but can't see.
Story.
కళ్ళు ఉండేది ఏంటో ఆలోచిస్తే వస్తుంది.
Ma'am, correct answer, ma'am.
కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. హూ టోల్డ్ దట్? నవంత్.
Madam Hansika.
ఓకే, యా.
Ma'am, could you please say once again answer?
Needle.
ఆన్సర్ నాన్న.
Ma'am,
Needle, ma'am.
needle.
Needle.
ఓకే.
Which letter of the alphabet? Ma'am, next question. Which letter of the alphabet has most water?
C.
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 Correct.
C.
BC.
C.
Yeah.
C.
What can be seen in 1 minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years?
Once again, repeat the question.
What can be seen in 1 minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years?
M.
Correct.
How? Explain it.
Ma'am.
What, ma'am?
How it is M? Explain it.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
మినిట్ లో M1 ఉంటుంది, మూమెంట్ లో M2 ఉంటుంది, 1000 లో M ఉండదు.
మూమెంట్ లో 2 times ఇంకా మినిట్ లో 1 time ఉంటుంది మ్యామ్. Next question. People buy me to eat but never eat me. People buy me to eat but never eat me.
Very nice.
Plate.
Yes.
Plate.
Correct
Plate.
answer.
Plate.
Next question. Where can you find cities, towns, shops, and streets and no people?
Map.
Please repeat the question. Map.
Correct answer.
Repeat the question and say the answer, Nana.
Where can you find cities, towns, shops, and streets and no people? Answer: a map.
Map.
Next question.
Madam, map.
The more you take, the more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they?
Do you want to repeat?
Once repeat.
The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they?
Food. Footsteps.
Footsteps.
Correct answer.
Footsteps.
Correct. Could you please say how? మనం ఎంత దూరం వెళ్తే అది మనం ఆ ప్లేస్ ని లీవ్ చేసి వెళ్తాం కదా.
వెనక్కి అక్కడికి వెళ్ళాం కదా, అంటే ఫుట్ స్టెప్స్, పాదముద్రలు. యా.
What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty?
Blackboard.
Correct answer.
Blackboard.
The more this is there, the less you see. What is it?
Please repeat.
The more this is there, the less you see. What is it?
Please repeat once again.
The more this is there, the less you see. What is it?
Okay, no idea. Tell her to reveal the answer. Okay, Nana.
Any clue?
Yes, could you please give me a
Darkness.
correct? Darkness.
Once you repeat the question and tell the answer.
Okay, ma'am. The more this is there, the less you see. What is it? Answer
Darkness.
Correct. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you cannot touch me or catch me. What I am?
Shadow.
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 Shadow is correct answer. What gets bigger when more is taken away? What gets bigger when more is taken away? What gets bigger when more is taken away?
Hole.
Right answer. Ma'am, next question. Could you please say once again answer? A hole.
Hole.
Hole. What goes up and down but does not move? What goes up and down but does not move?
Lift.
No. No.
Once repeat again.
What goes up and down but does not move?
Staircase. Staircase.
Correct answer. Staircase is correct answer. Next question. I am light as a feather, yet the strongest person cannot hold me for 5 minutes. What I am?
Bird.
No.
Please repeat the question.
I am light as a feather. The strongest person cannot hold me for 5 minutes. What I am?
Ice cube.
Fire.
No. I am light as a feather. The strongest person also cannot hold me for 5 minutes. What I am?
Very
Breathe.
Correct answer.
Breathe.
Next.
Ma'am, voice.
Ma'am, next question. I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What am I?
Please repeat.
I am an odd number. Take away a letter and I become even. What I am? I am an odd.
7.
Take one letter and I become even. What am I?
7. 7.
Correct answer. Correct answer. 7. Correct answer. Ma'am, last question. Mary has.
explain before the yeah. They're asking to explain, Nana. Previous question
Okay,
you
ma'am.
explain. Yeah.
Ma'am, 7 answer, ma'am, because if we remove S, it will become even. And 7 is an odd.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, last question. Mary has 4 daughters and each of her daughters have a brother. How many children does Mary have?
5. 5. 8.
5.
Once repeat the question.
Mary has 4 daughters and each of her daughters has a brother. How many children does Mary have?
4. 5.
Correct.
5.
5 is correct answer. 5. Ma'am, all questions are completed, ma'am.
Okay. So let us play a small game, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
already, Navant, all of you please start your videos. On your videos, everybody. Yeah, Navant, already you have an idea. Why? Because we played. And Nikshita also, you too have an idea. Just building
Yes, ma'am.
letters. Okay. Building words. This
Madam.
is the game. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is how it will start. I'll
Okay,
give you.
ma'am.
I'll give you a word. The last letter you have to start another word. Right?
Okay, madam.
Madam.
Okay, madam.
Continue. In this, just I want the numbers. Just a minute.
Ma'am, could you please say once again? My network is slow.
Yeah, yes. Just it is very easy game. And the first, all of you start your videos. Yeah. First rule number 1. First one, I'm giving to the Hansika. Okay. 2 is Nikshita. Nikshita has to start next. Very, yeah.
Madam.
Yeah. 3 is Sahaja.
Madam.
4 is Charvik. 5 is Navant. Okay. 6 is Dakshit. Right. 7 is Samanvita. Okay.
My sister also plays.
Okay. 8 is your sister Sahasra. Right. And next 9 is Sadhana. Yeah. And 10 is Sri Pasyanti. Okay. Samanvita. Yeah,
Madam.
your number is 7. Okay. Right.
Okay, ma'am.
So be ready. First, I will give you a word. Word, English letters. Okay. I will give you
Okay,
a word.
madam.
Then next you
Again,
have, yeah, just you please keep in mute, Nana. Otherwise, time. Already, Nikshita, you have an idea. Already we played in Young Minds, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So once, yeah.
I also.
Just a minute. You won't get confusion. I'll tell you. Yeah. Hansika, I'm giving
Ma'am,
a word,
Please
Nana.
join my sister, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
Madam?
Yes. Sorry. Yes. Yeah, Nana. So next, Hansika, I'm giving a word to you. You have to start the last letter of the word.
Madam.
Yeah. Just a minute.
Oh,
Wait.
okay, madam.
Achievement. 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 You have to start with T, Nana. Hansika. Hansika with T.
Madam, okay.
T.
Ma'am, T.
Yeah.
Madam, T for
Now fast.
madam.
Okay. Then moving to the Sahaja. T, Nana. T. Unmute.
And two Nikshita, ma.
Ma'am, my number is 3, ma'am.
No problem. Yeah. Two. Two Nikshita.
Ma'am.
Sorry. So Nikshita.
Madam.
Yeah. Sorry, Nana.
Madam, T.
Madam,
shall I?
Teacher.
Okay.
Madam, me.
T for teacher, TEACHER.
Very good. Next, Sahaja. R.
Ma'am, rainbow, ma'am. Rainbow.
Spelling.
RAINBOW.
Okay, good. Then next, Charvik.
Rainbow.
W. Which W, Charvik?
WATCH. Watch.
Next, Navant. H.
HACK. Hack.
Okay. Then next, Dakshita. Dakshit, K.
KITE. Kite.
Very good, Dakshit. E. Samanvita, E.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, eucalyptus.
Spelling. EU. Yeah. CAL. You don't know. LIPTUS. Okay. S. Next, Sahasra. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Sunflower. Spelling.
SUNFLOWER.
Next, Sadhana. R.
Right. RAGHT.
Right. T. Next, C. Prasyanti. T.
Towel. TWL.
Okay. Next, myself. TOWEL. L. Any others are there? No? Hansika, your signal is very low, Nana. If it is there, just you could talk. Okay. Then right. Next, L. L for light. 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 Next.
When T for?
Yes.
When T for trying. TRYING. Trying.
Trying. Okay. G. Nikshita. G.
Madam, G for girl. GIRL.
Sahaja. L.
Ma'am, L for lion. Lion.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Next, Arvik. N.
Ma'am, NEGATIVE. Negative.
E. Navant. E. Navant. E. Where are you? Okay. Next, Dakshit. E.
Egg. EGG.
Samanvita G.
Yes, ma'am. Gare. GARE.
G-E-A-R. Okay. Sahasra next. R.
IABBIT rabbit.
Okay, next Sadhana T.
Madam T.
Yes.
Madam Trump. TRIUMPH.
Very good. Super. Sripasyanti H.
HAMM hammer.
Ma'am.
Okay.
HAMM hammer.
Okay. R for Rose. ROSE Rose. Next Hansika. E.
Madam E for elephant. ELEPHAINT elephant.
A-N-T. A-N-T elephant. Okay. Sahaja. Next T.
Madam Nikshita.
Nikshita.
Ma'am Nikshita.
Madam Technology. TECHNOLOGY.
Super. Nikshita. Next Sahaja.
Yarn. YARN.
Very good. Charvik.
Ma'am, next. NEXT.
Very good. Navant. T. Yes, Navant T.
Okay. No.
Spelling. Okay. Next, Dakshit.
TALK, ma'am.
Talk. 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 Dakshit K. Nana. K.
Kite. KITE. Kite.
Already completed, no?
Madam kite is completed.
Completed. Next.
Completed, ma'am.
Take another one with K. No? Dakshit, what happened? Yeah. Moving to the next. Samanvita K.
Yes, ma'am. Kitten. KITTEN.
Very good. Next, Sahasra. N. Sahasra N.
Normal.
Spelling.
NORMAL.
Super. Next, Sadhana L.
Madam Lord. LORD.
Very good. Next, Sripasyanti D.
DEN.
Next, myself. N for normal. 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 Next, Hansika.
Completed.
Ma'am, normal is completed, ma'am.
Completed. Okay then. Native. 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 E. Hansika.
Madam E. Madam E for E. E for early. EARLY. Early.
Nikshita. Y.
Madam Yellow. YELLOW.
Very good. Next, Sahaja.
WARM. Warm.
Very good. Next, Charvik.
And again tell, ma'am.
WARM. Warm. M for.
M. M.
M for mango. MANGO. Mango.
Sit properly. You're not visible. Yeah. Yes. Now it's good. Mango. Okay. O. Next. Navant. O.
OWLO.
Owl. Okay. Next.
Owl.
Yeah. Next, Dakshit.
LAMP. Lamp.
Very good. LAMP lamp. Next, Samanvita. P for.
Pink. PINK.
Very good. Next, Sahasra. Okay. Next. Sadhana. D.
Madam D.
Yes, Nana.
Doll. DOLL.
Doll. Next. Sri Pasyanti. L.
Light. LIGHT.
Okay. So myself. Next. Tolerate. 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 E. Next. E. Hansika.
Madam E for earth. EARTH. Earth.
Nikshita. H.
Madam H for horse. HORSE.
Very good. Next. Sahaja. E.
Ma'am, electricity. ELECRICITY.
Right. Okay. Right. Next. Y. Charvik. Y.
Yach.
Once again repeat. Sit properly. Repeat.
YACH.
Okay. YATCH. Yacht. Very good, Nana. Next. Navant. H. Navant. H.
HAMMER. Hammer.
Very good. Next. Dakshit. R.
Ma'am, hammer completed, ma'am.
Hammer completed. Okay. Navant. Once again you take another
HAD
one
hat,
word.
ma'am.
HAT hat. Okay. T. Next. Dakshit.
What
T.
is the
T.
teacher?
T.
TOYS. Toys.
OYS. Toys. Okay. Next. Samanvita. S.
Yes, ma'am. Science. SCIENC.
S. You have to start with S, Nana.
Science, ma'am. SCIENC.
Okay. Good. Next, Sahasra. E. Huh? Eagle not finished. Okay.
Not finished, madam.
Okay, then
Madam
Sadhana.
finished.
I think it's completed. Eagle.
Madam Eagle finished.
Yeah. Next, another
Madam,
one.
I'm
You take
only said
Sahasra.
that.
No, madam.
Sahasra,
No, ma'am,
please.
it is
Just wait. Sahasra, you take another one. Huh? Okay, the last word. Last letter, sorry. N. Okay. Sadhana, N. Start with N, Nana.
N, ma'am.
Yes.
N. Naughty. NAUGHTY.
Very good. Next, Repasyanti with Y. Yes.
YEAST. East.
Okay. Next, with now myself. T. TALL. Tall. Next, Hansika.
Madam H4.
Tall. L.
Madam Habitat.
L, Nana.
Madam L.
Yeah.
Madam what?
L for lion. L for light. L.
Madam L.
completed. What is completed?
Madam, okay, madam. Madam L for lady. LADY. Lady.
Next, Nikshita. Nikshita, what happened? Signal issue. Next, Sahaja. Completed. Yeah, yes. Next, Nikshita. Maybe signal
Madam
issue.
Y.
Yeah.
Madam
lady.
Y for York. YOLK.
Now completed.
Yak, madam.
Completed. Next.
Yak. Y-A-K.
Okay. K, next. Sahaja.
K-I-N-G, king.
Very good. Next, Charvik. G.